This is example 7 from lesson R.3, and we are factoring the sums and differences of two cubes. All right, if we follow the algorithm, in part A, we've got u to the third plus 27. Okay, so we know this is going to factor into a binomial, so we're going to have something, in this case, plus something else. And then we're going to have a trinomial back here, so we're going to have something minus a middle term and then plus a third term back here. All right. The first parentheses, all we do is cube root each one of these terms. So the cube root of u to the third, or what times what times what gives you u to the third. That's going to be u. And then back here, we're looking at the cube root of 27, or what times itself again is going to give you 27. That's 3. Okay, there's the first part of it. Now we're going to build this trinomial back here based on what we have in the binomial. My first term is going to be u times itself. So u times u. This is u squared. In the middle, I'm just going to multiply u times 3. That's going to give me 3u. And then back here at the back, I'm going to take my last term 3 and multiply it by itself. 3 times 3 is 9. And now u to the third plus 27 has been factored. All right, now we'll do B. Again, I know I'm going to factor this into a binomial times a trinomial. And in this case, I'm going to have something minus something else. That's because of the minus sign right here. And then for my trinomial, I'm going to have something plus a middle term plus my last term. So this will always be positive, the one in the back. This sign will change. It'll be the opposite of whatever we have right here. All right, same thing though. We're going to look for the cube root of 64. What times itself again will give me 64. That's going to be 4. And then for v to the third, what times itself again will give me v to the third. That's just v. All right, in the back, we're looking at 125. So what times itself and times itself again will give you 125. That's 5. And then what do we multiply by itself 3 times to get z to the 6? That's going to be z to the second. And then we build this trinomial based on what we have here in the binomial. So the first term is the first term times itself. 4v times 4v is 16v squared. In the middle, 4v times negative 5z, that's going to give me 20v z squared. And then my last term, 5z squared times 5z squared is going to give me 25z to the fourth.